Kia ora, this is Waihopai News. Ko Thomas Toku Ingoa. No mai, haere mai.
Tēnā koutou katoa. Ko Yashis Toku Ingoa. We are your hosts for Thursday. Rapare te ono. Listen up to find out what's going on at Waihopai School.
Senior Kapahaka is on in the hall today. Mrs. Frood will see you there once you have eaten lunch.
Hooray! Lego Club is back. Well, come to the library if you want to build some awesome creations or just have a play with Lego. Mrs. Bell will be in there to supervise you and enjoy your efforts.
Last day for reading competition entries tomorrow morning. Mrs. Woods is going to judge these for us and prizes will be awarded at the next full school assembly.
Lucky Book Club orders to the office with money in a named bag or envelope, please. Remember, you can order online too.
Can all house leaders and pals come to the library at lunchtime to meet with Mrs. Bell, please?
Happy birthday to Ellie in room 5 who turned 11 yesterday.
That's all from us today.
Thank you for listening to our news.